Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Guys, I'm back in the kitchen again making some Jamaican curry chicken. Here's my chicken cut up fine. This is how I cut them up, the finer. This is the size I like. Okay guys, and I love the bone, so I love cook curry chicken with the most of the bone part. Okay guys, so when I got washed off already with vinegar and lime to cut out the rawness. Yes, so this is how it looks so far. Okay, so I'm gonna use all of this season right here. Let me show you. This is my all-purpose season, which is my Larry season salt. I'm gonna put 2 or 3 pimento in there, some black pepper, curry, and some dry herb, which is oregano. You don't have to put it in there. This is optional, and I'm gonna put all of this in there. I'm gonna put my Irish 2 carrot, piece of pepper, garlic, thyme, scallion, green bell pepper, and some piece of onion. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just cut up this with bone in there. Okay, all right guys, so this is my chicken. I have 4 pimento here, wash them off already. I'm gonna start seasoning up my chicken. I put in the powder season first. I put in some black pepper first. I'm gonna measure it. I put all the ingredients in the description box. Okay guys, so I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon to take up all of my season. Okay, this is my Larry season salt. This is my all-purpose season. I'm gonna put some curry, not much curry because I'm gonna burn some of the curry. So I'm gonna put just this in there. I'm gonna put just some dry herb. This is optional, you don't have to put it in there. And but this is some oregano dry herb. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in all of my herb there now. My thyme. This is how my pepper stay. I'm not cut it up because I don't want it last in the pot. And you know, I cook for my family. I don't want it too hot, so I go when it reach about 5-10 minutes in the cooking, I just find this and just take it out. That's why I'm gonna cut out my pepper. Put in everything. You know, this full of bone, so I have a lot of bone. So I don't want the bone cut me, and I don't want the season to go in on my fingernails. So I use my gloves and I just rub out the season nice. I use my hand and just crush up the seasoning also. Okay. So it look white same way. So I put little more curry in there, even though I go burn some curry in the pot. I put a little bit more curry in there and I taste it if you want more all-purpose season. When I burn the curry guys, let me tell you this, it gives your chicken or your chicken back a different flavor. When I burn the curry, yeah. Just try the recipe and man. Try it and follow everything what I do. And I tell you say, just comment and tell me about it and I tell you say, no regrets, you're gonna love it. You have to continue to cook it for your family. This is how me cook it for my family and my husband. Love it, love it, love it. And my little girl, yeah man, them love it. But just taste this if you want a little more all-purpose. And it do, so I put a little more all-purpose seasoning on it. Okay. Now season to your taste guys, okay? I'm not put no salt in there because you see this? It have a lot of salt, so this no what if you put salt in there, it have a taste salt and I don't want that. So this have a lot of salt, so I use a seasoning, I'm not put no salt in the pot. Okay, I'm gonna taste it again. Alright, it's good. I don't want to put no more all-purpose in there. That's it. So you can cover up your own, can cover it up, leave it till tomorrow or whenever you want to cook it, but me, I'll just get my one on the fire right away. Okay, so guys, my pot is hot, and this is what I'm gonna look for my curry chicken in. And I don't know, for some reason when I buy the pot them and I the heat get on them, the middle start to swell. So this is it, guys. So look what me I got to now. I put in my oil and everything I go to the side for some reason to the pot me go swell. So guys, I'm not gonna use a lot of oil. It's gonna spring a lot of oil also, but you may have burn the curry, so that's why we put oil in there. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna put one teaspoon. And this is it, guys. This is the amount of curry I'm burning, okay? Just using my spoon. Just put it in the oil. Make sure all of the curry get in the oil, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put in my chicken same time. I'm not putting in the oil, no, I'm not putting any water in there right now. I'm going to cover it and let it spring little water, and then I'll get back to you guys. 5 minutes later, guys, and this is it. See? I'm trying to make it see the amount of water will spring up. Yes. So I'm going to do now, just give it a stir. Basin, I season up the chicken in. This is the same basin. I just get a little water in there and I rinse it out. Rinse out all the season, the powder season, and the onion and the other season them. Just I rinse it out of the container and just steam. Straight in the pot, okay? Just gonna leave this and just make it cook. So I will get back to you in the next 15 minutes. I will show you how it looks. Okay, guys? "15 minutes later, guys, and this is how my curry chicken look. And I'm gonna make this cook for 40 to 45 minutes. Just gonna cover it again. 15 minutes later, I'm gonna show you how it look again. Okay, guys? I'm not gonna add no more water in this curry chicken, no more. Okay? So this is half an hour later, guys. The next 15 minutes. I tell you I was going to come back to you guys. So this is it. So this is how it look. I'm not going to put any more water in there as what I said before. Yeah, no more water. Just going to leave it and make it just cook. Okay, guys? So I'm going to let this cook 40 to 45 minutes. See that, guys? And look at the gravy so far. Gravy is really thick. Because the Irish actually help to make the gravy get thick. Yeah, see that? Yeah. This is how it look, guys. 40 minutes later. This is how it look. I'm gonna show you the gravy. I'll show you how thick the gravy is. Irish them still stand up. The carrot them still stand up. Them no mash out. Yes, guys. See the water, see this? See the gravy? So how thick the gravy is, trust me. You don't want nothing more than this. So 40 minutes later, I want to cook more. Because I know curry can make your belly run. So I just put a little more water in there. Even though I tell you I'm not put no more water in there, I put a little more water in there. Okay, and that's it. This is it, guys. 45 minutes later. Look at the gravy. Real natural gravy. I put nothing in there to make gravy. This is it, guys. This is the gravy. 45 minutes later. And this is how I prepare my Jamaican curry chicken. Jamaican recipe, Jamaican style.